Hey guys, let's learn about barriers of communication today. What are barriers? These are the obstacles or difficulties that come in the way of communication. In the beginning of the video, I was sitting like this and there was some noise of this kind. What were these? These were the barriers. If I start making all my reels like this, I will not be able to communicate properly with you. You will not be interested in my videos. So, in communication terminology, in communication parlance, all these barriers are clubbed under one label, and which is known as noise. So, noise and barriers are the same thing in communication. There can be many kind of barriers. For example, there can be language barriers. If we are not speaking the common language, if you don't understand Hindi or English, you will not understand what I am trying to say. Then there can be poor vocabulary, poor grammar or punctuation, then roundabout verbiage. Roundabout verbiage means if I go about beating the bush and do not make any sense to you, this can create a barrier. Then one important term is semantic barrier. Semantic means meaning. Friends, every word has two type of meanings. One is denotative and other is connotative. Denotative is dictionary meaning. For example, what is love? Dictionary may tell you that it is the sweetness of emotions, but there is also connotative meaning to it, which depends on the context. Love can be different for me, and it can be different for you, or it can be different for any third person. So it is known as semantic barrier. Then there can be physical barriers like noise. Noise, like in the video, like this was the noise, or if a ceiling fan is running right now, it can create a noise. Then time, if there's time gap in communication. Then distance in communication, if I'm not sitting close enough to you that you can listen to me, it can create a barrier. Then age gap, age barrier, you have there is generation gap. Sex, like बॉयज से ये लड़कियां क्या चाहती हैं, क्या सोचती हैं, हम तो कभी समझ ही नहीं पाते, स्त्री को समझना नामुमकिन है, एंड फलाना ढमकाना. Then there can be social psychological barriers, status barrier, poor or rich, professional, homemaker, attitudes and values. What values do you hold dear in your life? They can be different. Then different perceptions of reality. For some people, India is the third largest economy in the world. We are growing at a very fast rate. Our GDP is growing. There are many highways and expressways in the making. But for some people, it is still the place of where poor people live, where there is hunger, discrimination. So this is different perception of reality can create conflicts. Then abstracting. Abstract means which is not many people can make sense of abstract art, for example, which is vague. Then closed mindedness, when people are not open to new ideas. Then distortion, filtering, editing, you are interpreting what I'm saying in a different way than I want you to understand. Then bad listening, emotions, if I'm not in a happy mood, I may not be able to express myself appropriately. Then resistance to change, my way or highway, this should be done like this only, this is the only way. So this can also create a barrier. Then there can be a mechanical barrier. For example, channel noise. If this video is blur, if my voice is not coming properly to you, this can create mechanical barrier. In the earlier times, when television was there, and you have to shake that antenna to bring the picture back on your television screen. So that was also a kind of barrier. Or if in a newspaper the fonts are not right, or there is ink smeared on that paper, it can also create a barrier. Okay, so thank you for watching.